Gigi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Well, today I feel like I want to have some steak with a long bean, but I don't want to turn on my grill outside, so I want to cook in the house. But I have a fresh long bean here, or snake bean, whatever. I love it, so I'm gonna cook like basically it's like kuah matua, okay? And the ingredient I have here, I have a seasoning salt and oyster sauce, chicken flavor, and a steak right here, okay, and vegetable oil and sugar, and this is all this stuff right here. And I have a long bean, tomato, onion, and garlic. That's all. Very easy and simple, okay? Let's get started. See, I leave some fat area and little meat in here. You know, like this, stick with the bone, and I slide that. And I'm going to use that too. Now it looks like a grill, right? They kind of like brown a little bit, and I can smell that smell the steak coming up. So what I'm gonna do, I go ahead and put my garlic in, vegetable oil, wow, see, that looks perfect. My garlic is turned golden color, and I go ahead and put the last of the meat in. When I put the meat in, I go ahead and put my seasoning, chicken flavor, and this is oyster sauce. Smells so good. Onion, all my vegetable in. right. Wow, that just look perfect. Smells so good.คั่วบักทั่วแล้ว That's a steak with the long bean. Yay! Ready for my dinner. Come on, guy. Look at my steak. Come on, eat, okay? I wish you're here right now. This dish is very easy and simple. Everybody can cook this, okay? Let me taste. Yummy, yummy. Just pick up one steak, vegetable, you know, something easy and simple. That's good. The crunchy of the long bean and the steak is get together so well. So good. This is perfect piece. Nobody come in my house yet. Set by. Well, thank you for watching my video. Well, I see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye. Lạc